Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and also MDC of Sora constituency, Titos Khan, had met with Home Minister Lakmin Rimboe to submit a written request for a police outpost to be set up at Maujrong under Sora constituency. After the meeting, Titos Khan informed that the outcome of the discussion on the need for a police outpost at Maujrong on the Sora highway was a positive one. Khan added that Home Minister Lakmin Rimboe had given an assurance that the matter would be looked into so that a solution to the demands of the people would be soon brought about.
Dan regoi na tikam di bakam konsan di bangala ai dari mikro in CM berkum ini MDC yang berkai seorang tolong ba na syukun kemawi yang ka we kadi dawa berkum ju kadi haji sya kadi kam kepala ya rai kepala ya keren na du kesedam araja ka ya kaba ladon lang ki nambak snong ki nongeram snong betul thai khat asnong lakro begitu isnong Ramadan ba ila idon kam bakandan mereka police outpost ante hapo ke area Maujrong de ngampat tip ke jaka kan de hai nomor ba ini kan de dan profesor de lada jaba na kaliang jong i home minister ila penci kena dengan saya keren bagi nongelam sedong itu man ai jaka kapung kecingnya keren betasi kalau ke badan sikerman pada kalian jong i home minister ila ada sunan ba nakanya di indah deh ke masa maka kalau nan hab banyak keren bagi orang ba kebetulan tapi alis bagi penyo ya jaka.
While stating the reasons why a police outpost is required at Maujrong despite the existence of a police station at Sora, the MDC of the constituency informed that the entire stretch of the road to Sora is a busy one and therefore, apart from tourists and other visitors who travel to his constituency, there are also accidents and other unfortunate incidents that occur from time to time due to heavy traffic along the way. Khan further informed that the setting up of a police outpost at Maujrong would ease the job of the police personnel of the Sora police station and also help residents of Latlingkot and Umtengar areas while looking for assistance during mishaps.
Denrai pilai baka surak Shillong Sora kalong kalong kum ke highway kaba teng ke kamtam habang ke situation kalong normal di kali di babun nanta kajingwan jom ki turis kalong babun nani ki brief di mana bar de nanta ki accident ru ki laju jaka de kalong ke ngai lap ba kalong kajing ke basau ya ki pai ba lani gitu ki bajai kajing accident ba kin hap up iki polis ki banwan na do na Sora nata kum kani ke area sa Umtengar ka hap banwan na ko maungap nata kum ka area jong ka Latlingkot turu na karay ki hap pelusla nga pakat ng lada ka don kani ka outpost ka tuga area ngan yarap sigun ban hampen sting ya ka jing prikam jong ka Sora PS bat akajuk ka poru ka namar ka jing abade ke highway ka susu iklan babun nong lek nong wan nang ta ke don ru ki ja ki basung si ki tinya jengwan ki beriau lek si ki bangim la ban tip ki ki nata kadang apa kan long ke jing sengai naka benta jong ka thai ni ro pawe